baby Winchout. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. I need to adjust the collar on my neck camera so you guys don't move around as much. Hey, how are you, Yusuf?
Yes.
Nice to meet you, buddy.
Nice to meet you.
So, yeah, it happens, man. Automatic will get you, man. It's super soft gravel.
No, because empty, that's why.
Yeah.
Yesterday,
if you're loaded, you'd probably be all right.
Yes, yesterday night I was here.
Yeah, no problem. Well, you buried her in there too, didn't you?
This one and other side.
Yep. You got her way down in there. Oh, shouldn't be too bad. Let me go ahead and send the company the bill so I can get paid by the time I get out of here. Can you sneak? Yeah, that's fine. I'm not moving. You're good. I just got to pull him back, but I'll wait till you come out. Yeah.
What are we gonna do? You want to stay inside?
Yeah, you'll be in your truck, and just brakes released in neutral, and I'll just pull it back.
Just I'm gonna put nature, huh?
Yes. This is Michael. Yeah. Yeah, I'm on scene. I just sent you over the invoice. It's gonna be as we discussed. I got here. I'm here now, and I'm about to pull them out. If you want to work on that, and I'll have that paid by the time I get them out. That'd be great. Yeah, I was right down the road. Yes, sir. I am. Yeah, I was like 3 miles down the road, and I pulled over and stopped, took the call, and then I realized I was like 3 miles down the road. So yeah, it actually worked out well. Yep. Sounds good, buddy. Thank you. Bye-bye. All right. We got stuff in free spool. Trash truck's gone. Let's yank on a trailer. What do you say? Hey, the Peterbilt finally quit regening. That's cool. There we go. That's pretty. That looks like great work.
Yes.
We're gonna get one more pull. Get a better hook on that. There we go. So I'm opting for pulling on the front of the trailer because it's closer to what is stuck. Instead of the back of the trailer. I just got dusty. I just had to drive about a mile down a gravel road to get the last truck I towed. The whole back of the truck is just covered in dust. Oh. there for moral support. Yeah, this company called. I was just coming back from a tow and I just pulled back into Hopkinsville. And I pulled over to take the phone call. And I told him, I was like, yeah, it'll be like 30 minutes. And I looked up the address he gave me and I was like 3 minutes up the road. So then he calls me, he's like, you got there too fast. I'm just making sure you're the right guy. You ready? Release all your brakes. Yep, leave it in neutral. Turn your wheel that way. Right there. Yep. Yep. Truck and trailer. No brakes. All right. Everything's good. Yep. Just hold your steering wheel just like it is, okay? Just hold your wheel. Smooth as butter. Turn left. Turn to your driver's side. Your side. Trying to, I'd like to get you to where you don't have to pull up again, but I don't think it, huh? Can I pull your trailer over?
No, I can't.
Keep pulling you, or you think you can go? Yeah, hang on, let me disconnect. Hold your brakes. I'll have to move out of the way so you don't hit me. Yeah. Yeah. All right, let me disconnect and get out of the way and then see if you can back in there. All right. Just a minor language barrier, no big deal. Just a bum easy pull, buddy. Buried that pretty good in that rock. But that's why they got that snow fence up there to keep people from doing that. Where did I put my other glove? Well, I'm a hot mess today. I probably ought to idle that down. That's better. in, guy. Don't tell me he snuck again. Okay, he's good. What a doozy of a parking lot here. Well, there you have it. He's out there driving like chaos, driving like a crazy person. But he's out, backing into the loading dock. We'll see you next time. Okay, bye.